Good afternoon, boys. Today I try to show you how you can make this exercise for today. We know we don't have a Zoom session today, but I want to show you something how you can make this exercise. Please, we continue with the communication. Yesterday we made the vocabulary, the practice, and now we try to make the exercise number 2, number 3, and exercise number 4, only the questions. But please open your book on page 4. And we start with exercise number 2. Okay, remember, you can say today, teacher, I forgot my book in my home because you're in your home. Okay? So this is part of your book you will see in the page number 4. Remember, we continue with the communication. Exercise number 2. The exercise is think, the first exercise. Think of 3 people in your life. Tell your partner how you keep in touch with these people. So please, you need to write here in their book, in your book, you will write the third person in your life. You could be your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, I don't know. And you need to write there how you keep in touch with these people. Don't forget the expression keep in touch mean don't lose the communication. Okay? So now it's very different because you have all the internet, the digital things to keep in touch with other people. So you can write there, my mom, how can I keep in touch with my mom? By phone, by face to face? How can I keep in touch with my friends? What? I don't know. But you need to write 3 people and you need to put beside them which is the best kind of digital uh, communication with them. What media social you use. Okay? After you made exercise number 2, you need to go to exercise number 3, of course. Exercise number 3, don't forget what things. Always, when you see the sentence, you need to see very careful about the structure. Don't forget the structure. You need to read twice. Remember, you need to answer the things they ask you. Okay? Number 1, the instruction says, are sentence 1 to 6 true or false? This exercise is try to think by yourself. What do you think about this sentence? Of course, you can discuss your answer in pairs because you are in your home alone. So, number 1, like an example, we speak to each other face to face more often nowadays. What do you think? What do you think could be? True or false? Well, I guess for me it's true. Is what do you think? Okay? Now go to the next sentence. Our phone calls are longer today compared to 10 years ago. Well, I guess could be true, or maybe it's false. I don't know. So you need to answer all this sentence, true or false, about your view, your personal view. How do you think about it? Is that false or right? When you finish, when you finish this sentence, you need to read the text. Careful here, because you answered this question, guess. You already yes. But now you read the test. And after you read, check, pay attention, exercise B, read the text and check your answer in 3.8. Correct the false sentence. Okay? If you make something mistake, is not the same like here, you need to change. Maybe you could say true, or maybe you can say false, but you need to check. So the changing phase of communication is the title, is the topic of the text. You need to read. Take your time, read carefully, because don't forget the exercise number 3, it's reading for a specific information. It's not only to understand that, you need to find the specific information, is that true or is that false? Okay, boys? So after 3, you need to make 3B. That's important. When you finish, you compare your answer. Yes? Okay. The next exercise, if you remember, from the text, the changing phase of communication, you need to underline all the nouns are in the text. Part of the speech, if you remember, we practiced this last 2 weeks ago. And now you need to find all the nouns, underline or circle, wherever you want, or put in different colors. But you need to find all the nouns you can find in the text. Okay? Nouns, remember the hands. Why the hands? Because animals, person, place, ideas, or things, or feelings like an idea. You need to underline. Yes? Okay. Now to finish the exercise, to finish exercise number 4. This is only for you. Which piece of information in the text do you find most surprising? For you, not for me, for you. Maybe it could be, I don't know, we abuse about the internet, we abuse about the use of the cell phone. I don't know. But you need to write in your notebook this answer. And the next question, you need to answer, do you agree with Tina and Rob? Only do you agree? Don't give an explanation. Only give me the answer. Do you agree with Tina and Rob? Yes, I agree. Oh, no, I don't agree. Okay? That's all for today. Please don't forget to write your name and the day in the book. Okay? Okay, boys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye and take care.